How to get a refund on Lyft. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to get a refund on Lyft. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Lyft application on your device and further go to Ride History. Tap on the menu icon, then select Ride History option. Now, scroll to the ride you want to get a refund for. You will see the Get Help option. Now, tap on the ride and scroll down and hit the Get Help option. Choose the Dispute the Fare or Charge option and explain your issue. Now, finally, wait for the response. Lyft will review and process your request. You will get a refund to your card or as a Lyft credit. So, this is how you can get a refund on Lyft. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.